Question 9. What is the domain of the function displayed on the graph? Okay, so we're looking for the x values for which the function is defined. Essentially the x values that we can choose for this function. So we can choose anything smaller than -2. Let's take a look here. And this keeps going forever. There's a little arrow here. So all the way up to -2, we can include these values for the domain. But beyond -2, there's a little gap here. There's nothing in this area. So that is not included in the domain. But then again at 1, we can continue. But there's an empty dot right at 1. And that just means that we cannot include the 1. But even 1.001 would be fine. And we can go all the way up to 6. Everything in between is completely fine. Then we have another gap. But are we done? No. We have this little point right here. And the 9 is also part of the domain. So we can say that x is smaller than or equal to -2. X is in between also 1 and 6, but not including the 1, because there's an empty dot right there. Empty. And also x is equal to 9, because that just this point right here. So the answer will be, let's see, it's A. X is smaller or equal to -2. X is between 1 and 6, not including the 1. And x is equal to 9. That's it.